If you heard about Mentos and cola experiment, you know that Mentos is quite important. But today we're doing an experiment trying different materials to find alternatives for Mentos. We will try baking soda, salt, sand, liquid soap, Wow, that's all sand. Yeah, that was fun. Okay, so what we're gonna do, I'm gonna squeeze as much fairy as I can first. If there is no reaction, you bring your thing. If there's a reaction, we just enjoy the reaction. Ready? Wow. Yeah, we have plenty of foam around now.